Alright guys, we're gonna do the AM6 teardown, right? So got this case here the way it is, as is. The bolts are already off. The fun part will be getting this off because it is moto sealed on there. So I have some lacquer thinner that I'm going to use, and then I'll be able to get that off. You know, take the crank out, give it a look, give a look to the case. As I showed before on short, it does have some rust buildup on it, so I'll have to let it sit in like some rust, remover, and then I'll have to get a ball hone to be able to clean this up after I get the rust off, and then re-hone the jug again. But otherwise, it's looking pretty good. Not too bad. The crank feels real smooth as well, so I'm looking forward to getting this torn down and inspecting it all. So let's give this a little shot here. See if I can soak some of this real quick here. There we go. I wonder if I could take these off. Let's try and take this one off. Oh shit. This bolt is crooked. I think it might be this right here. bada bing. There we go. Alright, so now do a full inspection of the case so you can see, or of the jug. You can see it's definitely got some rust to it there. Right. The inside doesn't look so bad though. Like I said, it just needs a good rehone. I'll let it sit in that rust remover stuff. Spacer looks good. So there's the inside again there. Transfers look good. There's no deep scratches on the jug at all. So not bad shape for it. Here's the case, so look at the case, take a look at that, put your guys back down here. So there's your case. Bearings still appear to be good shape. Right? Had some prior damage here that got taken care of. So not bad. Bearing still spins good. Could get re-greased though, but seems to be good. I'll end up taking it out and changing it though. Case here is all good as well. Again, bearings are not too bad, but I'll change them out. But not bad shape. Not bad shape at all. Right. Just needs to be properly, obviously properly sealed and all that. But there you have it. Oops. There you have that. There you have that, and then here's the crank. Not a bad crank, honestly. I could get it cleaned up here, but it's a Zeda AE50 rod crank. But it seems to be smooth. I'm going to test it out. But I mean, there's no play, no up and down play on this thing. This thing is dang smooth. It was spinning real smooth when it was inside the case, but you can see how the balancing is done. Let me measure the stroke here, see what we got. See if I can send you this about good here. I'm gonna say looks like it's a 40, maybe 2-stroke. Call it 40. Let's see here. Yeah, it seems about right. 42, maybe even 41, somewhere between there. But you can see it's about I want to say it's 42 stroke, but I'll have to double check. And I consider it could be even 40. But again, I'll need to double check. But the crank just feels real smooth. And I said I'll put it back in the case real quick here. We can test it out again. Well, you know what? I'll just leave it on one side, but you can already, I can already tell there is I don't see anything that is out of true, and this thing is spinning beautifully. I mean, we have a good solid crank here for this AM6. So, there you have it. That's the AM6 teardown. Next, I'll be doing the Falcon here. We'll be doing a quick teardown of this, checking this all out, seeing what we got going on with this cylinder and all the other components that we got going on in there. Stay tuned for that.